1 year ago, I never imagined I had be sitting here making a video comparing my life in India and Russia. I came here because one chapter of my life didn't go according to my plan. And somehow that unexpected chapter became one of the biggest learning experience of my life. If you're a NEET aspirant deciding between MBBS in India and MBBS in Russia, this video might save you from making a decision based on Instagram or YouTube comments. Because I have experienced the student side of both. I gave NEET in 2025. Things didn't go in the way I expected, and eventually I chose to study MBBS in Russia. Today, after completing my first year at Smolensk State Medical University, I'm going to compare Russia and India, not as an agent, not as a consultant, and definitely not to tell you which one is better. I'm simply going to tell you what feels different from my experience. Before comparing anything, let me tell you how I even ended up here. In 2025, I gave NEET, and honestly, the entire phase was heartbreaking for me. I had worked hard like so many other students. I also had the option of joining a private medical college in India. My dad was ready to support me, but personally, I didn't want to take that route, and I didn't want to take another drop year either. A friend of mine was already studying abroad, so I started exploring the option, and eventually I found myself here in Russia. So, when I compare India and Russia, I'm not comparing two countries based on Google searches. I'm comparing the two environments I have personally experienced as a student. The first and probably biggest difference isn't even academics, it's your lifestyle. In India, you're generally much closer to your family. You have familiar food, familiar language, familiar people. If you need something, there's usually someone around who can help. Russia was completely different for me. Suddenly, I'm thousands of kilometers away from home. If I need food, I have to make it. If my clothes need washing, I have to do it. If I need groceries, I have to get them. If I'm sick or having a bad day, my parents aren't physically here. And that's something you don't fully understand until you actually experience it. Let's talk about food because this is something every Indian student thinks about. In India, food is just everywhere. And most importantly, it's familiar. Here, I had to learn to manage my own food. Almost every time I cook, sometimes I eat what's available and sometimes I just miss ghar ka khana. But honestly, learning to cook became one of the unexpected skills I gained here. Now let's talk about something you absolutely cannot ignore: weather. Coming from India, Russian winter was completely a different experience for me. The first time you see all that snow, it looks beautiful. But when you actually have to wake up and go to class, that's when the romance disappears. You learn layering, you learn what clothes actually keep you warm, and eventually your definition of cold completely changes. This one was a big adjustment for me. I'm already an introvert. Now imagine being an introvert and trying to communicate in a language you're not comfortable with. At first, even simple interactions could feel stressful. Buying something, asking for directions, talking to someone. But slowly I started picking up basic Russian, and that's when I realized something. You don't need perfect Russian to start communicating. You just need to stop being afraid of making mistakes. Now, let's get to the question everyone actually wants to know. Is studying MBBS in Russia easier? From my experience, don't come here thinking it's going to be easy. Medicine is still medicine. You still have lectures, you still have practicals, you still have assignments, you still have exams. And you still have days where you look at your syllabus and think, how am I supposed to finish all of this? The difference for me is that here, I'm managing academics alongside managing my entire life. So studying isn't the only responsibility. Student life also feels different. In India, you're surrounded by a familiar environment. Here, you're meeting people from different backgrounds and sometimes different countries. You learn how other people think. You become more comfortable doing things on your own. And honestly, that changed my personality quite a lot. I came here as someone who was very dependent on familiar surroundings. 1 year later, I'm much more comfortable figuring things out myself. Another major difference is that you become much more conscious about money. At home, I didn't have to think about every small grocery purchase. Here, I have to manage things: food, transport, daily expenses, everything adds up. And I think this is one of those things that teaches you responsibility. Because I'm not going to give you a universal Russia costs exactly this much number. Because everyone's lifestyle is different. If you're interested, I have already made a video about exactly how much monthly expense I spend. Now comes to the part nobody can really explain you. Homesickness. You can prepare yourself for the cold, you can prepare yourself for the food, you can prepare yourself for studying, but you can't fully prepare yourself for missing home. There are days when you just want to sit with your family. You miss festivals, you miss random conversations, you miss having someone around without having to call them. But somehow you still wake up, you still go to lectures, you cook, you study, you finish your assignments, and you keep going. And that's probably the biggest thing Russia has taught me, not medicine but independence. So, after everything I have told you, which is better, India or Russia? Honestly, I don't think there is one answer. If being close to your family, familiar food, familiar language, and staying in your home environment are extremely important to you, you need to think seriously before choosing to move abroad. If you're comfortable adapting to a completely different environment and you're ready to manage life independently, your experience could be different. And that's exactly why I don't want this video to be Russia is better than India video. Because it's not. It's about what works for you. And if you're watching this because you're confused after NEET, please don't choose Russia just because someone on YouTube made it look glamorous. Don't choose India just because someone told you abroad is bad. And don't choose any university because an agent told you it's the best. Research, talk to the actual students, understand the lifestyle, understand your own priorities. Because at the end of the day, you are the one who has to live that life for years. India gave me my dream. Russia is teaching me how to chase it independently. And maybe that's the real comparison. Not India versus Russia, but who you were before you left home and who you become after you do. If you are a NEET aspirant thinking about MBBS abroad, subscribe please. I'm going to share the parts of this journey that people usually don't talk about, good and bad. And comment below, India or Russia, which one are you considering and why? Thank you.